Hello, everyone, and welcome back to My Fluent Vibes. We're so happy you are here today. This channel is all about helping you improve your English speaking and listening in a natural and relaxed way. If you want to sound more confident and fluent in real life conversations, you are in the right place.
Hi everyone, I am Alex. Thank you so much for joining us today. In this video, we are going to talk about daily habits that can, quietly but powerfully, improve your English fluency.
Yes, exactly. Many learners think they need to study grammar for hours every day to become fluent. But the truth is, fluency grows from simple, daily habits that you can easily add to your life.
That is so true. One of the most effective habits is thinking in English during your daily routine. Even small thoughts like planning your day or talking about what you see around you can train your brain.
And the best part is, you do not need anyone else to do this. You can practice while walking, cooking, or even before sleeping. This removes pressure and helps you feel more comfortable with the language.
Another powerful habit is daily listening. Not just watching something in English, but really listening to how words connect and how sentences flow naturally.
When you listen every day, your brain slowly starts copying the rhythm and pronunciation without stress. This is how children learn a language, and it works for adults too.
Consistency is more important than long study sessions. 10 minutes every day is much better than 2 hours once a week.
Exactly. Fluency is not about being perfect. It is about feeling relaxed while speaking and letting your thoughts flow.
And that confidence comes from daily exposure and small habits repeated again and again.
Before we continue, if you are enjoying this conversation and want more real English practice, please like this video, leave a comment, and tell us how you practice English every day. And do not forget to subscribe to My Fluent Vibes for more natural English conversations.
Now, let us talk about another habit that can really change your speaking skills. Repeating what you hear, also known as shadowing.
Yes, shadowing is amazing. You listen to a short sentence and repeat it immediately. This helps your pronunciation, speed, and confidence at the same time.
It also trains your mouth and tongue. Many learners forget that speaking is a physical skill, not only a mental one.
Another helpful habit is choosing a daily English moment, a specific time when you use only English, even if it is just for 5 minutes.
That routine teaches your brain that English is part of your life, not something special or scary.
Learning phrases instead of single words is also very important. Native speakers use groups of words, not isolated vocabulary.
When you learn phrases, your sentences sound more natural and fluent automatically.
And finally, do not forget to enjoy the process. When learning is fun, your progress becomes faster and easier.
Fluency is not something you reach one day. It is something you build slowly through daily habits.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident in your English journey.
See you in the next video on My Fluent Vibes.